Welcome back, yogis. We are fully standing on our feet today. We're gonna do some really fun hip openers and standing shoulder openers. So all you're gonna need is the mat and a little congratulations to you because you have made it to day 10. We are so close to the finish line of this new year, new yogi program, and you are kind of kicking tush. So start on your mat, legs wide. Notice that my thighs are externally rotated. So instead of my toes going forward and my kneecaps going forward to what we call parallel, because it makes two parallel lines, I'm going to lift up on my heel, send my toes outwardly at an angle that respects my hips. Our hips are all made differently. All you want to make sure, like a quick little cheat sheet to figure out if you're in the right place. If you bend your knees and you have to sit your hips back, you're probably not in the right rotation for you. The goal is to get your tailbone right underneath you, your knees tracking in line with like your second or third toe. So if that looks good to you, let's get started. Reach your arms out into a T shape. My name is Jewel if we haven't met before, and welcome to Become Yoga School's 12-day program. It's day 10 of New Year, New Yogi. Your arms are in a wide T shape. We're simply gonna bend our knees and straighten up. Now I know what you're thinking, oh goodness, is she gonna do a whole bunch of squats? Is this now a bar class? No, friends, I'm just getting your legs warmed up because I wanna do this eagle wrapped arms goddess squat. So drop your hips down underneath you, eagle wrap your arms, bring your right elbow under your left elbow. You have the option to give yourself a yummy hug here, to lift the arms or to double wrap them. We've done this before. You're gonna round your spine chin to chest like cat pose. Press through the heels, lift the spine, open the heart like cow pose. Round the spine like a cat. Arch your spine like a cow. So if you want some anatomical terms, this is flexion of the spine, and this is extension of the spine. And on the third one, come into neutral. We're gonna draw a big old circle. Bring your elbows to the right knee, toward your pubic bone, the left knee, circle it up, taking it 3 times. Circle, and 3. Excellent. Then unrelease your arms, reach them to the sky, make a big star shape. Turn in your right foot, turn out your left foot, and you're in warrior 2. Breathe into your warrior. Press into the knife edge of the pinky toe side of your foot. Breathe in 3. Breathe in 4. Press through the legs, flip back, take a reverse or peaceful warrior, and then bring your elbow to the inner thigh of your front leg. Reach your right arm to the sky or extend it all the way. Look up at your right elbow, pull the left thigh back, press into the right pinky toe. Breathe in. This is extended side angle again. Breathe out. We're gonna keep the legs. Breathe in 3. Breathe in 4. Keep the legs, but upright the spine. Bring that left arm and right arm into a T shape. Straighten the leg, parallel the foot. Exhale, forward fold. Drop your head low. Bring your hands under your shoulders. Slowly roll up to stand. And we'll do the same exact thing on the second side. Turn out your thighs again. Take it back to that goddess squat. Reach your arms into a T shape. This time we'll eagle wrap. Other arm on top. Kiss the elbows together. Wrap them and lift your heart to cow. Round your spine to flexion, cat. Inhale, arch the spine, drop the tail down. Exhale, round the spine, steady the feet. Third round, inhale, lift up, you're doing good. And round your spine. Excellent. Inhale, hold it here. Take it over to the right knee, over to the left. Circle it up top like you're scrubbing the ceiling. 2. And 3. Great. Soften the knees, unfurl the arms, reach up into a big star, and then open it this time, warrior 2. Facing your right side, the right knee bends nice, the left leg presses out straight. Your arms are in a T shape. We breathe for 4. 3. Drop the tailbone down. Lift this left thigh up. 2. Keep the legs. Reverse warrior. Just tip it back. Grab the hip, thigh, or calf. And then elbow to knee. Left arm to sky. Reach it over the ear And peek up, extended side angle for 4 breaths. Excellent, keep the legs. Come up into your T-shape again, warrior 2. Lengthen the legs, goddess. Bend the knees, drop it down. Inhale, lengthen, toes go forward. Exhale, bend, knees turn out. One more time, inhale, straight legs, arms high. Bend your knees, toes turn out. This time, bring your left hand to the inner thigh, right hand to the inner thigh. You're gonna take a twist. Some people would call this a twisted goddess squat. It doesn't technically have a yoga name. Definitely a modern pose. When you're ready, you'll switch this. So a lot of these poses are like 5,000 years old. We've seen them in different dans, different wrestling moves in Indian texts. And then some of them we've created along the way. Excellent. Come through the center. Gently shift to your knees. Excellent. We're gonna sit on our heels for a moment in hero's pose. Take a moment, we have one more move I wanna conquer. This is stargazer pose, another modern one. We're gonna keep our left shin on the floor. We're gonna come up on your 2 shins and then straighten your right leg out to the side. Bring your arms out into a T shape. It's also a great way to modify a side plank. And then tip this over. Stay here. Breathe in, look up at your right hand. Good, and if you want to start to arc this like Wild Thing, you're gonna sweep your hips forward, reach this arm backward. So I think Stargazer is kind of in between extended side angle and Wild Thing. It's also a nice supported side plank. We're gonna make a beautiful, graceful transition. Simply bend your right knee, land it on the floor, circle the arm, take it the other way, shoot that left leg out. You can take it straight up to the sky or hug the abs, draw the hips a little forward, make it a back bend toward your back corner. And then to work on that transition, we'll take it again. Soften the knees, circle the arm, drop the shin, take it up and over toward your left side, stretching right arm. And then soften 2 knees, drop the right shin, circle it around, take it up and over, left arm reaching, heart open, left toes plug down. Take it again. Soften the knees, circle the arm, drop the shin, take it up and over toward your left side, stretching right arm. Soften 2 knees, drop the right shin, circle it around, take it up and over, left arm reaching, heart open. And circle it to center, gently drawing the knees together. Reach your fingers back, drop your head forward. Bring your hands under your chest, roll yourself up to a kneeling position, hero's pose, and bring your hands to heart center. Beautiful job in your standing practice today and moving side to side. I'm so excited for day 11 and 12, which are kind of great, let me be honest. And I hope to see you on the mat tomorrow. One thing, if you've missed a day, it's totally cool. I get it, you have lives, but today's the day to catch up. So if you missed day 3 or day 5, staple it on to day 10 so I can see you and you'll be fully prepared for days 11 and 12 tomorrow. And until I see you on the mat next time, I want you to inhale positive and exhale negative.